When WhatsApp launched in 2009, it seemed like just a better way to send and receive SMSs. I remember that what attracted me was that with WhatsApp, sending and receiving text messages was through data or Wi-Fi, not with a cost per SMS that most mobile service providers had. And since I was living in another country, away from many of my family members and close friends, and I was traveling a lot on business trips, it was a way to avoid those pesky international rates for every text message. These days, WhatsApp is a central communication tool for my personal life and my business communication, as it is for many other people. In fact, WhatsApp has 1.6 billion users worldwide. 55 billion messages are sent on the platform every day, and users also share 4.5 billion photos and 1 billion videos per day. It's the most popular messaging app within all age groups. So it makes us wonder what made WhatsApp so successful. There were many other messaging apps on the market like Viber or even Facebook Messenger, but they never had the same levels of success. The answer is that WhatsApp's priority focus has always been to create a clean, lightning-fast communication service that works flawlessly. They made communication clean, fast, simple, and the value to users was immediate and obvious. WhatsApp did to SMS what Skype did to international phone calls, and soon followed as the preferred way to share multimedia like pictures and audio and video. Thanks to WhatsApp, MMS is dead. And then came group chats, voice and video calls. So user adoption was very easily achieved. All it took was for 1 or 2 people to try it, and then word spread, because you can only use WhatsApp to WhatsApp. They had very high social sharing. Everyone was encouraging their contacts to download it and try it out. Of course, being acquired by Facebook has played a part in WhatsApp's phenomenal success, but there are a few reasons to admire WhatsApp's approach from the very start. Firstly, a major aspect of the product, which seems so simple now, is that they built a messenger that connects to contacts from a phone book. Many other messaging platforms needed usernames, which affected the user experience, and so the way that WhatsApp decided to work was groundbreaking at the time. Secondly, before WhatsApp, there was that pain point of people not knowing if someone received their message. So those little ticks and timestamps made a big difference. And thirdly, WhatsApp recognized that focusing on the product made it that much more powerful. WhatsApp knew what its customers wanted and they stuck to it. They avoided that temptation to do multiple things at once and lose sight of their core offering. And finally, they understood the importance of immediately setting everything up in a scalable way. The way of working at WhatsApp has stayed virtually the same ever since the very beginning. And then consider that they localized to different languages early on because they understood the need to connect with customers globally. And there you have a recipe for success. A huge population of users for whom WhatsApp is already central to everyday activities. And then they went even further. Now we have WhatsApp Business product, both for small companies and an enterprise solution for large-scale companies, which is a great tool for customer experience and engagement. And all of this success stemmed from their ability to grab attention in the market, to deliver amazing value, and to have their users drive adoption at a phenomenal rate.